Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Now, in this tutorial, we're gonna fix broken links in your WordPress website. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to access all the features in WordPress.com, you're gonna have to pay for an annual subscriptions that costs $40. Now I didn't pay for this subscription myself, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow my instructions very carefully and listen very carefully, you're going to be able to complete this task and remove broken links in WordPress websites in no time. Now let's dive in and follow these few steps together. The first step is to scan for a broken link. Install a plugin like Broken Link Checker, and to do that you have to access your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com and entering the website. After that, enter your account credentials and log in. Now once logged in, you're going to be directed to this dashboard right here, and in the left sidebar, go to plugins right here and search for broken link checker right here and click on it. Now, as I said before, installing and upgrading plugins require a paid subscription, so make sure you pay for a subscription before doing this step. And after you pay for the subscription, just click on upgrade and activate and follow the prompts, and you're going to be able to install this plugin very successfully. After that, this plugin scans your site and lists all broken links. The second step is to update or remove links. Use the plugin interface to edit or unlink broken URLs alternatively, and update links manually in WordPress editor. Now for the third step is to redirect broken links. Use a redirection plugin to redirect broken URLs to relevant pages or your home page. And for the fourth step is to check regularly and schedule regular link checks to keep your site error-free. Now for additional tips, broken links can hurt SEO, so fix them promptly. And use tools like Google Search Console for additional link monitoring. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you remove broken links in WordPress websites. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.